instance, it's what's called a fireball act. Now, if you know the joke, don't ruin it for anyone, because we want everyone to have a good time. Far from the civil Midwest, there are places where people genetically experiment with creatures, creating Frankenstein-like monsters. You can't actually describe them with the English language because they are so horrible. And right now we have the most ferocious beast in North America sitting right behind this curtain waiting for your gasps of amazement and fear. Wait, don't do them yet. Not all at once, calm down. Front row. We appreciate you giving up your life for this act. Very generous. I, of course, speak of the poultry poltergeist. A beast so horrible, it's only known as the man-eating chicken. Behold, in this box, which is labeled Danger Live Aminals. Now, please, if you're faint of heart, you might want to leave for this. I present to you the most ferocious beast known to man. The man-eating chicken. Yes, incredible. If Peter knew about it, they'd be protesting out front right now. But I assure you, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the act. This is merely the bait.
Bait? I should have never taken chicken from a vegan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maine completely still. We have no idea what this beast is capable of. You don't look particularly scared. Hold on, as I said, everyone remain calm. We don't want to alarm the beast. Now that it's eaten, it should be calm for the most part. Well, hold on. There's too much information. This is an all-ages show. Apparently, he wants to be the only cock in the show. Certainly the biggest one.
I'll take it, but still, I can use a little help.
Hold on. Use this.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Well, it's supposed to be a rubber chicken, and the joke would make sense. And I would say, I heard rubbers can be used for protection. Oh my God, it's an Nazario Chickpizio!
Oh, thank goodness you found my chicken.
Wait, this is your chicken?
Yes, well, you see, it's a very interesting story. I got this chicken from a farmer in Chicago. There was a tornado, and it tore down his poultry farm. Yes, they could never recoup.
That's terrible.
No.
Absolutely terrible.
Yes, they had to sell.
Terrible as this act.
But, so, what happened to the rest of the chickens?
Well, sadly, they had to sell all the chickens. Auctions are much louder than words.
It's terrible. Well, so they got rid of all the chickens?
Yes. Except for this one. He is now a certified free-range chicken.
You mean like a free stove on Craigslist?
That's it.
Looks like he chickened out.
Looks like the yolk's on him.
Yeah, the yolk's on him.
Hey, don't choke my chicken.
What?
Well, think of the children.
I will not think of children while I'm choking your chicken.
Yeah, Yeah, that'd be like chicken cacciatore rape.
What a crime!
He killed Eric. Actually,
Shh, you're supposed to be dead. Well, this is cruel and unusual punishment.
Yeah, he's just a little cockamamie.
I think he'll be all right. Don't worry about him. It's not his fault, though. The carny egged him on.
That's right.
which came first, the chicken or the egg?
When you keep choking him, we're gonna find out. It's all right. Well, I mean, why is your chicken acting so crazy?
I don't know. You know, we were driving here in my coupe de ville, and I just started telling him about the show.
The show.
Well, yeah, apparently, chickens, they really hate when you talk about the first Friday.
Right?
That's it. We get it. It's a fucking chicken.
Oh, come on. Why be so angry, dude? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we all be friends, right? Why can't we be friends? 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 Everybody wants to take a chance. Even chickens want to belly dance. 2, 3, 4.
That got a little weird. You're like, that was a little weird. I'm gonna leave before it gets a lot weird. You guys may not know this, but Nazario Chickpizio has a weird obsession with chickens. What's the deal with the chickens anyway?
Okay, well, you know, when I was a little boy, my mama, Donna Rosanna, she would tell me these chicken stories every night before I go to bed. So, I naturally was gravitated towards the chickens, and they like me. They like me too much. Fortunately, they follow me around wherever I go. I wrote a song about it. Some of you may have not heard this song, but it's not my fault. I mean, chicken like that. Right. In Sicily, they locked me up for stealing chicks that weren't my own. But I'm an innocent man. Some gypsies helped me fly the coop, and now the road I call my home. Traveling in this caravan, I'm not a thief, I'm a troubadour. I sing for the chicks that I adore, and if they chase me out the door, it's not at my command. And if they catch me in the square, parade me through the county fair, tear their breasts and pull my hair, it's not what I had planned. It's not my fault, I'm a cheap man. the other side. My music made her want to fly. Birds of a feather flock together, troubadours they ride. When the rooster crows, a cock-a-doodle die. Now there's a bumpy on my head. Jared wants me live or dead. My boots are wearing thin. Town to town, I'm on the run. From you kind folks, I'm in the sun. Oh, please don't turn me in. I'm not too deep of a troubadour. I sing for the chicks that I adore. If they swoon upon the floor, I just don't understand. But what else is there left to say? All I want to do is play upon my lute for another day. My dreams are not so grand. It's not my fault, I'm a chick magnet. You can't blame me if your head's a strumpet. Well, I've been framed, I'm no chicken bandit. It's not my fault. I'm a chick magnet. 1, 2, 3,
Mr. Rosario Chiquizio, ladies and gentlemen.